Hello friends, Namaste, welcome to my channel. Let's make it lovely. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications. Today I'm sharing an easy DIY candle holder that you can use as home decor or for Valentine's Day decorations. This can be done in any design you like. I did an Indian design few years ago using the same technique. Now let's get started. For this project, I'm using two different size glass jars from my kitchen. First, to clean the labels off the jars, I placed them in hot water for 10 minutes. Then I scrubbed off the label and glue with dish soap and scrub. You can also use a steel scrub in a gentle way to get the job done very quickly. Once clean, let the jars dry completely. Take any cardboard piece and draw a small heart, cut it out using scissors. We are going to use this as a template. Next, take an adhesive paper, sticker sheet or any kind of label paper that can be stuck and removed easily. I'm using a leftover sticky shelf liner from Dollar Tree that I had on hand. Trace as many hearts as you would like on your jar and cut them out using scissors. Now peel off the back protective layer and stick them randomly on the jar. Press them gently to make sure they are stuck properly. Also make sure to stick little bit of adhesive paper on the top opening so the paint won't go inside. Next, I'm using white spray paint to paint all around in even coats. You can also do this without spray paint. I'll show you that in just a minute. For the small jar design, trace a big size heart on the adhesive sheet and cut it out using a pair of scissors. Stick it on the jar and press it gently. Now paint over the jar using any paint that is suitable for glass. I'm using chalk paint here for a matte finish. Cover the jar with even coats and let it dry. After the paint is dry, peel off the stickers. Our candle holders are almost ready. I decorated the small jar a little bit more using an acrylic paint pen I had. I just added dashed lines around the heart shape. Next, I tied bow around jar neck using two different twine ropes I had on hand. You can also use regular jute rope for a rustic look. Next, I added an electric candle and string lights to the jars. I love how this simple DIY can transform all those empty jars we have. I hope you like this DIY too. Very soon I'm going to post a easy yet pretty Valentine's Day backdrop, so be sure to hit that bell icon. If you are interested in the Indian design candle holder I showed in the beginning, for that design I just made a small leaf shaped template and cut out my sticker sheet. I placed the stickers in a pattern I like and spray painted it and removed the stickers. I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share.